To obtain the no-life rod in Fisch, a popular fishing game, you're going to need to focus on specific in-game tasks and conditions. First, ensure that you've advanced enough in the game to unlock the areas where the no-life rod can be acquired. This rod is not something that you can get early on, so you're going to likely need to progress through different levels, acquire better gear, and gain experience. So once you've unlocked the necessary areas, look for specific quests or challenges that may offer the no-life rod as a reward. These quests might require you to catch rare or difficult fish or to complete particular objectives within a set time frame. The game often features special events or milestones that increase the chances of obtaining rare equipment like the no-life rod. So, you may also need to collect special resources such as rare fish, in-game currency, or certain items that are used to craft or trade for the rod. So pay attention to any in-game hints or announcements that point to the availability of this specific item. All right. Lastly, persistence is important. Like many rare items in Fisch, obtaining the no-life rod takes time and effort, so keep working towards your goal and eventually you're going to unlock this unique fishing tool.